Hey guys, guess what? I have an idea and I'm so happy right now. It includes golden fluid, a blow dryer, a square canvas. Let me show you what I'll be using. As you can see, I treated myself. I work hard. I thought, you know what? I'm going all in. I got all the colors that I really wanted. And the way I'm preparing my golden fluid, I have a pre-mix here, which is Liquitex pouring medium up to here, and then GAC 800 up to there, and then water, and then I shook that, and that's what I'm using as a base to put my colors in. And I have an idea today. I'm going to be using black. I'm going to be using white with a little bit of satin enamels in it. This here is the satin enamels. This is my white. And I'm going for pyrrole orange. Oh my god, my eyeballs. This is the most expensive golden fluid color. It's series 8. And yes, I did buy it on special at Michael's with my 30% coupon. I've used this once years ago. I'm super excited. Anywho, and my other color is gonna be magenta. Magenta. Ha ha ha. So I put some in. I'm gonna mix that up. Ooh, there's a pretty weirdo cell that appeared there. And I'm gonna set myself up, and I am going for this blow dryer style. Okay, so I'm working on a 16 by 16, if I remember correctly, and I just painted a bit, half of the side, on the side where I'm pretty sure there's going to be black. These are eye-gasming. There's no other word for me. Now I'm using a little bit less water than last time. It was pretty too thin last time, basically, even though it still worked. Golden pigments are so strong that it doesn't change anything. It's just too thin, basically. Okay. Like that. And a little layer of white. Then magenta. More. Pyrrole orange. Oh. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys must think I'm crazy. I don't care. And then the white. The goal, you can see satin enamels reacting. Crap, I hope I didn't put too much satin enamels in the white. Too late now. The goal is to push all these into the black, have some black negative space, and have some reactions because of the satin enamels. That's the goal. Okay, I'm gonna actually, because of what's happening here, which is odd, I'm gonna go again with the blow dryer. I'm gonna help this part out. This is a few minutes later, and this is the side that it's gonna go on. The composition for me is really, really good like this. I'm in love. There's so much movement. And let's go in for some details. I'm gonna start with my favorite part, right there. The white on the black. It could still change in time. It probably will. Got some cool little cloudsies up there. And I just love the magenta against the black. And there's something going on in the middle here, eh? It's like both sides are pushing into each other at the same time, you know? All right. Love, stay tuned for the dried result. Back with the final result, and you can see my reflection. Peace. In this super thick coat of Totalboat countertop resin that I put on top. It is one of my favorites up till now, since a while, that's for sure. It didn't change that much in time. I'm really loving this side, which is the side I was having most trouble with. Seriously, I like the whole thing. All of it. Super happy. I have no idea how I'm gonna call it. Yay, that's exciting too. Hope you guys like this. Check out the movement. Dude, have a good one, you guys.